See a brave you do. Somebody I will him and some bromidina Dinyameba. Bernard Padibo Chensha, CMTNFA Cup winners, Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, no Mudisi, Omsresona, and paying for the Abetu just one Kaizer Chiefs, Toyota Cup be a or South Africa. No, and IMC chairman, Nana Pinkre, who Madia to just say, when here, self sack up your mobonum, their church on Hupum at Africa.
When the Toyota and the Kaizer Chiefs contacted us on the match, because the two clubs had great history with great backgrounds with the support base. So on the backbone of the Vodacom match, where we had a draw and went on penalties, we said, oh, it's a good opportunity for us to come back and revenge, take back our glory that we lost. So it's more or less a good thing. We look at it as a collaboration between the two clubs, look going way forward in the future. Opportunity to be together, to move up since we all going to play the African Cup.
Kwesi day ni na watch state of July President Cup and the Bepim so mangane Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the House of Folk Metemba Shedu Ketekana no man Bepim so na NSC National Director Nana Papa Nidin ade ya one of one credit to just say and across Sports Stadium no enya dia ho ayeye bapa bia na omu yeska edisi yo ansa na yabo game no.
Our challenges here that we must address. We still are waiting for the release of funds to complete one of the stands to allow it to be at its capacity. Beyond that, there are works to be done in the long term beyond the World Cup qualifiers. And we also need to be mindful that before we came in, I'm talking about the new administration, contracts were given to people to ensure that certain works are done. And so far, the audits of those works are yet to be completed, and it will be, premature for me to conclude. But what I can talk is about what I've seen so far, myself personally, and with the team that have gone round to evaluate and assess what is happening with our venues and centres, and it's not looking good. However, we need to...
Sahana Brahma Monkwana Media working Simono and Simis, like I say, and come executive fashion on an enemy or Shametaria, Kamakama, Semifa working Sim and Semi Bromidina, Dinyameba, Bernard Padibuchi, Okatechi, Etwaso.